guys, today we're going to be unboxing an iPhone 16 Pro. With it, I have a few more accessories like the case and a screen protector. We're going to put these all and give it away to a subscriber. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the iPhone 16 Pro. This is their Desert titanium model. This looks fantastic. Let's open it up. That is good. This has the camera button and all the regular with the USB-C. Okay. You also get a charging cable, both a USB-C and of course a manual, which nobody cares. Alright guys, now that we have the phone, let's install a screen protector. This is a tempered glass screen protector from ESR. Now let's get to putting it on the screen. Open this up, and we have 3 screen protectors in here, so 3 times you can break the glass. Okay, so first we have to remove the tabs from here, so let's do that. Okay, so basically how this works is you put the screen protector on here like this, and you put the phone on top of it, and you pull it when it's done. So let's start. Alright, so we first put this on. Okay, now that we have all the essentials for wiping the screen, let's get the wet wipe and wipe down the screen. If I can. Okay. Now that we have all of that done, let's put the phone upside down in this case. Let's press it down, make sure everything's proper. Let's close this up, press here, and pull. Okay, I think that's all set. That is perfect. Alright guys, so now that we have the screen protector on, it looks really neat. There's not any bubbles whatsoever. And now let's put on the case. Now that we have the case on there, let's see. That looks awesome. Comment down below and subscribe and like the video, and I will pick a random subscriber who comments on this video to get this brand new iPhone 16 Pro. Alright, see you guys.